In the previous example, we learned a lot of things about straight line and its various characteristics. Now, in this video, we will focus on the equation of the straight line. In the previous video, you know two equations of a straight line, y equal to mx plus c and y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And in this video, you will learn three equations of straight line, y equal to mx plus c, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 and x by a plus y by b equals to 1. In our O level and A level syllabus, we will use these three equations of straight line. But the fact here is that what should I know in this video is that the use of these equations according to the requirement of situation. That means in which situation, which equation should I use? That we will learn in this lecture. When the gradient of a straight line and y-axis intercept are given, then we will use this equation y equal to mx plus c. When the coordinate of 2 points are given, then we will use this equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And when both axis intercepts are given, that means x-axis intercept and y-axis intercept, both axis intercepts are given, we will use this equation x divided by a plus y divided by b equals to 1. Now in the board, you can see that I have drawn a straight line 3 times. These straight lines are same, but for each figure different informations are given. So according to the informations given, we will use different formulae and we will find the equation of the straight line. And the funny part is that as the 3 lines are same, so their equations will also be the same, although we will use different methods. For example, for this graph, here you are given that the y-axis intercept is 6 and the gradient of the graph is 3. So the equation of the straight line will be y equal to mx plus c, m3, 3x plus c is 6. So the equation of this straight line is 3x plus 6. Here for the same straight line, we are given that 2 points on this straight line is 1, 9 and 2, 12. So at first we will find the gradient m, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We found the gradient to be 3. So we put the value here. Y will not change, x will not change. y1 is 9 and x1 is 1. So y minus 9 equal to 3x minus 3. Y equal to 3x minus 3 plus 9, that means y equal to 3x plus 6. Notice that we found the same equation here, although we used a different method. Now the third example, the same straight line, here the information given that y-axis intercept is 6 as told here and the x-axis intercept is minus 2. Now we will use the formula x divided by a plus y divided by b equals to 1. What is a? What is b? This is a, the x-axis intercept, and this is b, the y-axis intercept. So x divided by a, that means x-axis intercept is minus 2 plus y divided by b, y-axis intercept is 6 equals to 1. So we need to add them. 2 and 6, their LCM is 6. 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3x plus 6 by 6 is 1, 1 into y equals to 1. That means minus 3x plus y equal to 6, y equal to 3x plus 6. We got the same answer again. So from this video, what did we learn? We learned how to find the equation of a straight line, and we learned 3 formulae for this, and we also learned that in which situation which formula should we use.